Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to see watch history on Instagram. First of all you have to do is open your Instagram app on your phone and tap on the reel section on the bottom. From here, for example, if you're watching some reels and if you like any of the reel, for example, I will like that reel and I will go back to see or to check if you what is your watch history. Then what you have to do is click on your profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then all you have to do is click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner. From here you have to select your activity. From here you have some options like likes, comments. If you have clicked on liked, then you will be able to see all of your liked comments in the past. Or if you have commented on some reels, you can go to the comment section, and from here you will see all of the reels that you have commented in past. If you have saved any of the reels, what you can do is click on saved, and from here you will see all of the saved reels from you. But what if you haven't saved, liked or commented on any reel on Instagram? So what you have to do is click on account center. There is an option, for example, from here you have to click on your information and permission. From here you have to select download your information. Click on it. From here you have to select download or transfer information, and then you have to select your Instagram account of which you want to get the information. After selecting, click on next. From here you have to select all available information, and then you have to select download to device, and then you have to click on create files. After clicking on create files, it will take 10 to 15 minutes. Instagram will gather all of your data into a single place and download a zip file or email you a zip file which will include all of your personal details, and then you can see as an HTML format. You can also change the format, and that's how you can find your watch history or your information on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.